Hello designers, welcome to another short tutorial of Square F designs on Figma here. We are going to see how to add shadow effects can significantly improve the overall feel of your design. The concept is same here whether you are using Figma, Sketch or Adobe XD. Let's get started. The design is ready here. Removing the border first. Next, adding an effect of drop shadow here for the bottom X and Y. Changing the blur and spread value accordingly. The black color is set 25% to get shadow effect. Similarly, we need to add the shadow for the top X and Y value, adding negative values for it. Change the blur and spread value, since the shadows are on top, using white color with 90% effect. That's it, we have added the shadow effect here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more amazing videos.